Hey, good morning, guys. So, it is Thursday, I think, and it's kind of nasty outside here. But we're gonna work here in the shop a little bit today, and we're gonna try to get the airway back in here. Dad's on his way to go get the piece that we had machined and put new threads on and everything. So he's going to get that. While he's gone, I'm going to try to clear everything out of the middle of the shop here and try to get the airway in here so we can work on it inside. So let's start moving some of this stuff and then we'll head down there and get the airway. So I'm not really sure if the rain's gonna let off or get worse here. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit before I take it out and pull it in, but I think it's gonna keep raining here. I'm gonna check the radar and then we'll see from there. So now all we can do is just put them back on and then just put this back on right in here and then we'll be done with it. We got to put both new bearings on there and then we'll be done.
need some way to
Give me that pry bar. Just hold on there.
Right. I thought you were going to go with that. Where do I need there?
Gonna go up a little bit.
Yeah.
What's it need to do?
Up.
About half a hole.
You need to go to your left, Jamie.
Yeah. No, too much, Paul.
Dang it. There. There we go.
These two bolts here.
All right, just hold on. You got the top one on?
Yeah.
The top one started.
All right.
The bolt's all the way through.
Mm-hmm. Well, not all the way through,
It's all the way through this. It
but yeah.
just ain't through that.
Yeah.
There you go. There's that one started.
Which one you
I
gonna
can't get a nut on her yet.
Which one? The top one?
None of them.
Why not?
Because it's the bearing on her far enough. There we go.
There we go.
Put a little oil on that bolt.
See, that's plenty there.
Ready?
Yep. Was.
Yeah, screwdriver.
Hammer instead of a wrench. Didn't use it.
Wrench, hammer, same difference. Here, you want me to get that screwdriver and try to put that other side in? That other bolt in?
Other than that,
Here.
you got it?
Here, I can do it from up here easier.
You find a nut?
Yeah.
Tell me, there's your nuts.
There you go.
There you go, Brad. Dolly.
Piece of cake. All right, now we're gonna get them blocks out of here.
Now, where's the big washer at?
Huh?
Or a big nut?
Right here. Here's the other. That tightened that one up too. And it'll turn theirs freeze to death. It's just that bearing, I bet. I bet it's just these bearings.
Yeah.
Cause I mean, it ain't catching on nothing. Does the big washer turn whenever that turns?
This morning, working on the airway. We have all of like three, well, we have like three of the wheels off. We're going to replace the wheel bearings on them. We got the new races put into the hubs. The race is what the bearing rides inside of. So the bearing will ride inside of that silver thing there. And it'll ride inside of this one here. And then inside the other side of that one. And then we got to do this one here. So we got all new bearings to put on it. And then we just got to put all of the, hubs back on and everything. So we worked on that a little bit yesterday. Cody's out here pressure washing mats, or not mats, but carpet or rugs out of the out of the house. You cleaning the house?
I guess.
Technically, you're cleaning the house because these are out of the house.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I guess.
Here, you want that off there?
Yeah.
They get it rolled in.
What?
They get it rolled in.
Yeah, I didn't reel that much out. It's not that much to roll. Because sometimes I usually roll all of it out and then I have to roll all of it back in.
That felt good. Drain all the water out of there. Not on my shoe.
Did you lock this?
No, I didn't lock the door. You're just too weak to open the door.
Shut up.
That's not where that goes, you know.
Yeah, I want to bring this down there.
You gotta roll the hose in first.
Dang it. You got a rag?
No.
Cody, don't touch everything.
I'm not touching anything. I'm the Greek monster.
Jeez, a mess. I'll fix that. Got all dusty and I drove it out there in the rain yesterday, so it kind of got to be a mess. We're gonna wash it off a little bit. Looks pretty good. A lot better than it was. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Yeah, the reason it got so dirty is it was sitting down there in the cattle shed and it got all dusty, and then I had to pull it up here to the shop in the rain, so all that rain got on there and it just made a mess out of it. So it looks pretty good now. It's just gonna get dirty again, but oh well. Alright guys, we got that airway out of the shop. It's all ready to go. Got the wheel bearings changed. Got that piece back on, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Please like, subscribe. It really helps me out, gets me motivated to make more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.